Brake shoe. Brake shoes are components of the drum brake assembly. They are forced to press against the inner surface of the brake drum. The friction generated between the shoes and the drum works to reduce speed and stop the motorcycle. Replace brake shoes and put in new ones. It's easy to tell when rim brake pads need to be replaced because there are usually wear indicators molded directly into the brake itself. Pads have several grooves on their surface. If those grooves are still visible, the pad is fine. Once they disappear, it's time to replace the pad. Indicators for checking drum brakes. Very long braking distance. For correct and effective braking, it is necessary that the force transmitted to the braking system is sufficient, so that both the internal mechanism and the brake fluid are necessary. Also, it is important that the set of brake shoes inside the drum brake is properly cared for. Noise and vibration on braking. When vibration or noise is produced on braking the vehicle, it is due to deformation or irregular wear of the drum brake. Spongy brake pedal. If we notice that the brake pedal is soft or spongy, it's time to check the drum brakes. This can happen for several reasons: poor brake fluid, air in the drum brakes, leaks in the brake system circuits, or damaged brake cylinders and pumps. Hard brake pedal. When we notice that our vehicle's brake pedal is hard, it may be because the feed pump belt is loose or the valves are defective, or other things. Burning smell when pressing the brake pedal. When we apply the brakes very hard and our car or bike smells like smoke, it is a sign that the drum brakes or brake shoes are overheating. If this happens, it is very important to take the car to a specialized workshop where it can be checked.